Hello everyone. Welcome back to Ai Streetz. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize these blank notebooks, journal and notebooks from Printify to sell to your customers. Okay, you can sell them online. You can sell them on shows. You can sell them from your house. However you want to do it. Okay, but before you start creating these notebooks to sell, please research in which niche you want to sell to. For instance, if you want to sell for kids, like to kids, or you want to sell to little girls, little boys, you want to sell for business women, for people who love to travel, for men, like different careers. Just do your research for what designs you can create and sell and to whom you can sell to. Okay, because you can also pair it with other products. But today we're going to talk about notebooks. I'm going to show you how easy it is to design these notebooks and to list them on your website, Etsy or Shopify. Okay, the first thing you need to do, you need to go to printify.com. Okay, printify.com, and then you sign up for an account. Okay, you sign up for an account, and when you sign up for an account, it will take you here to the catalog. Let me see, this is home. Yeah, it will take you here, and you will see the trending products and all that. I think this is the catalog, and you can choose items from here. But today we're going to do notebooks, journals, and notebooks. Okay, and here you have different ones, different hardcover, spiral notebooks, and all of them different ones. But I'm going to show you how you can customize them to sell to your customer. Okay, and we're going to choose this one. Okay, after we choose this one, we go to design, start designing right here. Okay, here you can see how much it will cost you and the shipping, and it will be done within 2 days. Okay, so we will start designing, and then you come here. Okay, but you don't know how big your image should be, but you can find it here. You go to upload, and then the requirements are here, right here. You see print area size 1810 20 by 2534 pixels. Okay, to design our image, like to put it in this design, we'll go to Canva. Okay, let's go to Canva. Okay, here am I in Canva. I'm going to create a design, and I go to custom, and we have here pixels. When you open here, you have different units, but we choose pixels. So it was 1810 and 2534. I'm going to choose it right here. And then we have this. This is the notebook cover, the front cover of the notebook. Okay. Okay, now I'll go to my uploads. This is how you can, this is one of the ways you can monetize your AI designs. Okay. Okay, and I'll go here and I'll choose one of the images I had. I have this image. I'm going to remove the background. Go to edit photo, and I'll remove the background. You don't have to remove the background if you don't want to. If you want to, if it's white and you want to use it like this. So I'm going to drag my image, bring it a little bit, and this side. Okay, here, and then here. Let's say I want to sell notebooks to little girls, like for little girls. I'll make this like this. I'll go to the background, and I want to have a color in there. I have the background selected like this. Go to the color dropper right in here, and then I'll choose one of the soft colors. You can choose one of the soft, like soft. You see, and you get it there. Let's go back and see. You see that you can also change the color. You can change it. You can go back and look for like a pinkish thing that you want. You look for the color. Let's say no, that won't work. I'm going to do it lighter, very lighter color. Let's say we go back to pink. and then we drag the pink. Yeah, like something like that. Okay, now we have our design right here. So if you want, you can add a text to it too. Put a text wherever you want. Let's go to text, and then I'll choose, let's see this one, shine, shine, sparkle. Okay, and you can go in and change the text. It's grouped. You ungroup it. Let's say let's say we say boss and then lady. Okay, let's say we have this boss lady. Make it a little bit bigger. You can also add another color of your liking. Let's say we go back to the dropper, and let's go to the dropper, and you can add a color that you want in here. You see that you can change the colors. If you want a darker color, Ooh. It's up to you what color you want. Okay, put it back to the purple. It's up to you what color you want. If you want, you can get the effect out. The effect is right here. You can get it out and have it like normal. You see that? You can do different things with it. Okay, we don't want that. Let's get this back. Okay, you can change it however you want. Now we're going to download it. Share. You go to download. You go to PNG. You need to put PNG. Okay, and then we have only one, so we're going to download it. Download, and it will come into our computer. Now we'll go back to Printify. Okay, now we are back in Printify, and then you will go to your device because you have downloaded it into your device. Select. After you select it, yeah, here it is. Yep, it will come right here. It will come right here. Okay, here it is. We're going to preview. Check the preview first. The preview is amazing. Look at that. Who doesn't want a book like this, a notebook like this? Especially if you have researched the niche and you know that these people love things like this. Girl, sir, go for it. You see that? Amazing, amazing, amazing. So you can save your product. Save it right here. Okay, and you can choose which one you want to add to your store as the first picture. You can choose which one you want. Okay, and then let's go down here, and then you let's say boss lady Highland cow with tutu and handbag, drinking, let's say drinking coffee, with coffee cup, spiral notebook. Okay, and then you can come in here and change the text a little bit, but these are the information, like the information of the notebook itself. These are there. So you come up and change it a little bit up here. Then you add tags. Okay, we have these tags. We have notebooks, journal. Okay, they are here already. You can add more. Highland cow, cute, girly cow, sassy girl. Add add all these to it. Oh no, they should be separate. Highland cow, enter, sassy girl, and all that. Enter, and then you add all your tags. Okay, and now we go to the shipping profile. It says here one notebook will be $12.84 and 5, and your profit will be $5.13. Okay, you see it all here. This and this is this price. Okay, and this is the shipping. Okay, you will sell it $12.82, and ship it $6.39. It's up to you how expensive you want to sell it. Okay. It depends on how you want to sell it, your niche and all that, the people who purchase things from you, who you're targeting and all that. So you can use this. If you want, you can change it. You can change the margin, profit margin. Let's say put it 45. You see the price will change. You see that? So you can change it and all that. And then you're going to publish it. You're going to publish it. You're going to publish it. Let me see. I'll save it as a draft for now. I'll save it as a draft for now. Okay. If you have an Etsy shop, you choose your Etsy shop. The way to choose your shop, to sync your shop, let's go there. You go here and you add the store. You connect the store, whatever store you have. Oh, they also do TikTok shop. That's amazing. Okay, when you're here, you can choose whatever shop you have. In this case, we're doing Etsy. So select Etsy. So you will sign in into Etsy through here. You will sign into Etsy, and after you sign in, you will click on his sign in, and then it will sync. You can follow the prompt. It will sync your Etsy shop with your Shopify store. Okay, so after you do that and you have your product done, your products, let's go back to the products. Let's go back. Okay, here I have my my notebook. I put it in Shopify instead of Etsy. So I'm going to select it and I'll go to copy and I'll go to send it to my Etsy shop. Copy products. It will also go in my Etsy. Okay, now I'm here. Now I'm here in my Etsy shop. You see it right here. And it says here unpublished because I saved it as draft. Let's go in. Like I told you, you need to change some things up here, but you can leave these ones, or you can also write a whole like paragraph with this one included. Okay, and go here. We are right here, and then let's go over here. Yeah, we did all this already, and then we click published. Published. Let's see why it doesn't want to publish. I'm going to save it as a draft, and I'll go back, and here I'll select here and I'll do publish, and it's telling me there are invalid characters in your product's title. Please fix the issue and try again. Okay, let's see where they are. Let's see what the characters are. Let's go back here. Okay, invalid characters in our book. Let me see. Maybe we need to. Yeah, you need to drag it. It needs to start here. Okay, I think that was it. Yeah, that was it. And now it's publishing in our Etsy store. Okay, it's already published. Let's go check in Etsy. And here it is on Etsy. Let's click on it. And here it is on Etsy. Okay, let me say this. Let me tell you this. When you want to sell on Etsy, want to sell these things for every product that you want to sell. Okay, let me give you a quick recap. Before you come on Printify to customize product to sell, the first thing you're going to do research on the niche, on the different niches, and on the niche you want to sell for, the group of people that you want to sell for. And after you decide your niche, or maybe you can go to ChatGPT for that. After you decide your niche, you go on these AI generating softwares, and then you design your AI images. After you design your AI images, you upscale them in Canva, and then come here on Printify and check the products that you want to sell. Open an Etsy shop. That is free. I will leave the link below. So if you want to open an Etsy shop and get 40 free listings, open your Etsy shop, open a Printify account. Printify account is free. Etsy shop with 40 listing is free. You will get the 40 listing from me. And come here and check the measurements of the products. Create your product, send it, publish it to Etsy. Go in Etsy and fix it, and work on your products, work on your listings and all that. do research on your niche. Always be up to date with what is happening in a certain in your niche, so that you can create products for them. Promote them on social media. It's not going to go pets boom boom boom. You start selling. You have to promote your shop on social media. You can also post pictures of your images on TikTok, talk about them, send people to your Etsy shop, go on Facebook, create a page, send people to your Etsy shop, Instagram, send people to your Etsy shop. Use all these social medias to bring awareness to your business. It won't be there and it will sell like hotcakes. You have to do the work. You have to do the work. Okay. So I hope you will take this class and do something with it and promote your business and sell your stuff and make money. And this is passive income that you can make. You create those things, you promote them, and people will buy. Okay. I hope this class was valuable to you. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try and if you want to see more classes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Always come back. Always come back to see and to know what is happening in these AI streets and how we can monetize AI in these AI streets. Thank you.